Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to restart or continue list numbering in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher document and take some numbered list. Now we want to restart or continue this number list. Firstly, select the last number list and go back the numbering option, then go to bullets and numberings, then select start at 2 or 1, anything. Now I select 2, then click OK. Now we can see we restart or continue this numbering list very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.